Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how you can buy anything online with just a few clicks? Today we are going to dive into the magic behind those online shopping experience and start building our very own e-commerce platform. So, what is an e-commerce system? Imagine the last time you bought something online on Amazon or Flipkart or any other online store. You searched for products, you added it to cart, entered address, and made payment, and voila, you got your order delivered to your doorstep without ever leaving your home. Pretty cool, right? Now think about it, how this works behind the scene, how this works in the back end. So if you know, there are sellers who wants to sell their product, and there are customer, of course, who want to purchase them online. Okay, so what seller does is seller first lists their products on these online stores. For example, here if you see, we have Amazon or Flipkart or any other online store. Now once seller lists their product, that product is now visible to the end user. Now end user can search products, add it to the cart, and purchase the order, like confirm the order. Okay, so once the order is confirmed, now delivery partner will collect the order from the seller and it delivers to the customer's doorstep. So this is how it works in the backend. Okay, so we will be building this whole system, and we will be building our own mini Amazon, if you can say. Okay, so now let's talk about the problem statement which we are going to solve in this e-commerce app. Okay, so we will be having sellers and users, of course, who can register themselves on our system. Then sellers should add inventory and manage orders, as I have already told. Then users should be able to buy products. That is the main feature, right? Users should be able to add deliveries or shipping address. Users should be able to make payment online for their purchase. User can add product to wish list for the future purchase. This feature you have seen most of the online shopping stores. Users should be able to see their previous order and track order details. Users should be able to receive the notification for their transactions. Now let's talk about the tech stack. So first one is, of course, on NestJS. We will be building backend, complete backend in the NestJS. And most of you already know NestJS is a powerful Node.js framework for building backend. So we will be using NestJS, and I guarantee you, if you don't know NestJS, then I guarantee you, you will learn each and every concepts from the start, and at the end you will be expert in NestJS also if you follow along with this series. Then we will be using MongoDB for data storage. We will be using TypeORM to connect to MongoDB for any kind of data operations. Of course, we will be building frontend in ReactJS, and two additional thing like Node.js, which is already covered in NestJS, since NestJS is a framework of Node.js. But I will guide some. I will tell you some more concepts of Node.js. So if you follow this series, you will also get to know about Node.js in depth. Then of course we will be using TypeScript with NestJS. Now let's talk about the third-party dependency we have. So as I have discussed, we will be sending notifications to user. So notification can be of two types, for example, SMS and email. So we will be using Twilio. For delivery partners, we will be using Dunzo or DHL or Shiplocker, depending on the complexity of integration. we will decide at the time of integration. We will be using a Pay as a payment gateway, since it is very easy to integrate with Node.js. And for hosting, we will be using Heroku. So that's it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching uh, till now. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video, where we will jump right into setting up our project. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next episode, and let's get building.